Good day, guys. Good day, guys. This is Mr. Shah, the crypto guy. I'm back again with the fourth token that you can buy in 2023. Remember, I said, guys, that in 2023 is actually the year where you should actually focus much on buying cryptocurrency. Why? Because we are actually looking into 2024 Bitcoin halving. A lot of things is going to happen after that. Yes, in 2023, a lot of things are going to be taking place. But in this year, I can always advise you to focus on buying cryptocurrencies. So in with that being said, guys, I believe it also makes sense that I should give you tokens that you can actually look at. And then also, don't forget, guys, to do your own due diligence. Remember, this is not any financial advice. And before we get into this, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget also to actually hit that notification button for videos like this. And also, again, guys, don't forget to comment and let me know what you think about this amazing project that I'm sharing with you. Now, very soon, these projects, all of them will be going to the moon. So it also depends on how good the portfolio is, and also depends on what is it that you have in your portfolio as well. So if you don't have this project that I'm giving you, then I don't know. But otherwise, guys, the other token that I want you guys to look at is PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap is a decentralized exchange, guys. We all know it. If you have used or if you have bought projects that are on the BSC network, obviously you might have used PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap, I don't have to actually say a lot about it. It explains itself. You can see also on their website, they have about 1.4 million users. These are actually people using this platform. And then also they have about 55 million trades that are taking place on their platform made in the last 30 days. You can imagine, remember in the last 30 days, we have about 1.4 million users, but that doesn't simply mean this is actually the whole number of the people. The numbers of people that have used this exchange since the beginning of this exchange, it might exceed this with great numbers as well. But also, if you look at about the money that have been staked on this project, guys, it's $3.4 billion. $3.4 billion. This is quite huge, quite huge. Now, the reason why I want you guys to look into this project is because you look at the project today, it's trading about $4 12 cents. And now, but also if you come down here, you will realize that the project is down by 90%, 90.6%. And there was a time the all-time high of this project was back in 30 April 2021, and then also it was about 43 $43.96, right? So you might have missed these projects during this time or when it made its all-time high. But now you had an opportunity, or you have the opportunity to actually look at this project and also be able to catch it as it is still this low. But also if you look at the market cap was about $677. I mean $677 million. Quite huge market cap right there. But you need to understand that when it was at this all-time high, obviously the price was just all the way up in terms of market cap. But now, what is it that I'm saying to you guys? If you take calculations, very very important. But if you take this 43, you simply say $43 for 96. And you say divide by $4. 12 cents is equals to, you're looking at 10x. So if you are to put your $1,000, then in the bull run you have an easy $10,000. Wow, this is easy money, guys. Easy money, easy money. You can't actually dispute the issue that this project can do well. Reason being, if you look at the use case behind the project, you look at the community behind the project, it's regarded one of the best or one of the most trusted exchange when it comes to the BSC project. So you can't actually take away the fact that this project definitely is going to recover and is going to do well. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before you buy any of these tokens. But where can you actually buy this project? You can actually buy it from its own exchange called the PancakeSwap. It's a decentralized exchange again. And then also, if you want centralized exchanges where you can buy this project, definitely you can get it on Binance as well. Binance, you can also do the staking as well. You can also find it from DigiFinance. You can also find it from BKEX, and also Bitmart and other exchanges, different exchanges, Hotbit, you can KuCoin, BitTrue. A lot of exchanges are actually offering this project. Why? Because it's an amazing project. But also, guys, if you quickly go down and then look for more information as well about this project, you will be able to see that if you look under overview here on CoinGecko, you simply go down here, you will be able to see a bit of information about this. What is Cake? Cake is a governance token for PancakeSwap, right? The supply of cake is not hard kept. Theoretically, cake supply is unlimited. The team is looking into conducting regular token bans to make deflation higher and that than emission. For example, the team will ban 10% of cake collected on lottery tickets and ban half of the fund raised through initial farm offer. So there's quite a lot of things that you can actually that are very much interesting when you look into this project. So guys, don't miss this project. Don't miss out on this 10x that you can make out of this project. My name is Mr. Shah, the crypto guy, guys. I'll see you guys on the next